Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Guys, today video is all about hair growth solution you can use for hair growth. So here I have garlic, I have bamboo leaf, I also have rosemary leaf. So now I'm going to cook this solution. I'm going to cook the bamboo, the everything you are saying here. I'm going to put it inside that pot. I'm going to cook it for some minutes, then we'll then we'll bring it down, then we'll use it on my hair. I said we, me, not we. So then I will bring it down. I will use it on my hair. So guys, now the solution is on the fire. I'm going to cook it for some minutes. So now what is now I've already bring out the solution. I've already put it inside my spray bottle. So I'm just going to part my hair. I did not see my comb that I used to part my hair. So that one we are not friends, so I cannot use it. I can't use it because we are not friends. So guys, this is how my hair is looking like now. This is the solution here. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Like my spray bottle is crying for freedom. So because of this lockdown, I cannot go and get a new spray bottle. So we'll still be managing that. So that is my blue magic. So I'm just going to apply this solution to my scalp, my hair, and the ends of my hair. Then I will apply the blue magic. I will twist my hair. Just keep it as a protective style. So guys, if you want to know more about this bamboo rosemary, I have a video on that, so I'm going to try to leave it at the description box below, or at the card, or anywhere. Just find it. You will see it in this video. Just find it anywhere. Just find it anywhere. You're going to see it. So I was filming. I did not know that I was not filming. As you can see, I've already done with this side, and I was filming. No, I did film my video. I don't say my camera, my camera. They film. They do it, and they do my how they go. This phone is really playing trick on me. So now the matter with the settle since how many weeks now? Whenever she settle and finish. So at the end of the day, I said let me check my video. I realized that the video that I filmed, I could not find it. So thank God that I've not finished my hair. So I just, okay, since I did not find this part, let me film the other side of the so that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just going to apply the solution to my hair. Then I will apply my blue magic. Then I will twist my hair. Guys, this is the best, like this is the best protective style you can do to grow your hair. Like just like my hair is growing. Oh, this is my hair is 3 years now. Yeah, my hair is 3 years now. I don't even know if my hair is growing. Guys, do you think my hair is growing? Because this is 3 years. 3 years. 3 years old natural hair. So I hope my hair is growing. I know my hair is growing. I hope it's growing. So before 4 years, we want to get to shoulder length by the grace of God. Yes. So guys, I'm just going to apply this solution to my hair. Like I said before, I'm not going to talk about the benefits of this product in this video. So if you want to know about this benefit, I'm going to leave the link at the video link, or at the card that we just pop out. This video is playing. You will see it: rosemary for hair growth, or bamboo leaf tea for hair growth. So the two videos are going to pop up because there's a lot of benefit that you can get from this bamboo is very good for our hair. You have elasticity that can help you to strengthen your hair, to grow your hair. Like some people drink bamboo tea also because it's good for body, and it's also good for our hair. It has silicone, so silicone is good for our hair also. So rosemary is also good. Rosemary helps to prevent dandruff. It also helps to prevent green hair. It helps to strengthen your hair. It help to prevent dandruff, dry scalp, itchy scalp, and all the health problem. So guys, definitely you have to try out this problem this product. God, what is wrong with me today? You have to try out these natural ingredients for your hair. So they are nice, they are good. I promise you are going to like it. So I'm just going to do this and put my head in a protective style in this way. I will not be touching my hair all the time, like remoisturizing my hair. Like Blue Magic does a wonderful job by when it comes to moisturizing or keeping your hair moisturized throughout the week. Blue Magic is good for that. So when you use the Blue Magic to seal in your moisture, so guys, your hair is going to stay moisturized throughout the week. So ginger garlic also good for our hair. Bamboo leaf tea is nice, and rosemary is wonderful. So three together is going to be powerful ingredients for our hair, for your hair growth. And also put your hair in a protective style. Stop touching your hair all the time, so it's going to make your hair to slow in growing. So when you put your hair in a protective style, that is, your hair can breathe, like give your hair some space to breathe, some space to live its own life. Don't disturb your hair all the time, combing your hair all the time, moisturizing product the time on your hair. Just do it. Maybe you want to moisturize your hair midweek moisturizer, that's fine. So don't just do it all the time, don't overdo it. That is going to make your hair to also slow in growing. So guys, I'm just going to put my protective in a protective style, then I will just leave it like that, nothing more, nothing less, just the way you see me doing it. So in this way, I'm not going to do a midweek moisturizer or midweek retouching my hair, no, because this Blue Magic is going to make my hair to stay moisturized for a week, till my next wash day. So this is one thing I love about this hair grease. Not only Blue Magic that does that, there are other hair grease also is good for hair, does that, make your hair stay moisturized throughout the week without you touching your hair, remoisturizing it midweek moisturizer. No, in this way your hair is going to stay moisturized. Also, for that other solution, they are also nice for hair growth. They help your hair to grow, they keep your hair growing. So guys, now I'm done with my hair. I'm really tired, like I tired. I was looking for help, there's no help from anywhere. I was looking for someone to help me, so there's no help, so I have to try to finish it. So now I'm done with my hair till next week. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys for coming to watch today's video. So the remaining solution I'm going to keep into the fridge, or I will throw it away because I have bamboo tree in my backyard. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Ciao.